Welcome to my channel UGC NET English Literature Smart Study. The books I consult for history of literature today I want to share with you. But keep in mind that it is totally my personal choice. Okay, number 1. The Concise Cambridge History of English Literature by George Sampson. Truthful to say that I don't read this book because I feel it is not helpful in a real sense for me. But I consult the book for some particular age or date. Otherwise, I feel it is too tough for me. Number 2. A Critical History of English Literature by David Datches. You will find it in 4 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. And at the same time it is not helpful in a real sense for me. Okay, anyway, but to consult any authentication of time, date, genre, region, lifespan, the reign of the kings, queens. Okay, then for authentication you must consult these books. Just have a look at these books. There is also William J. Long. William J. Long is good. It is very easy language. It is written in very easy language. You can go through it. Number 3. A Short History of English Literature, I. for Evans. Penguin Books. The best book for part by part exploration of genre-wise history of literary evolution. Okay, in this book, what happens? In this book, these 4 particular main genre, novel, poetry, drama, prose, they are just given from their early period to the evolution, age by age, writer by writer. So one can study and learn the complete evolution of every genre in a more scientific way. I think so. That's why I like this book. And number 4, An Outline History of English Literature by William Henry Hudson, Rupa Publication. This book also is written just like easy language as James Long. Okay, maybe I have forgotten to include James Long here chronologically, but I have given the picture and I am telling that James Long is also a good book for easy learning. Sorry, I tried a lot, but these books denied to stand vertically. I don't know why. But after the first picture, then all these pictures just paste in this way. Number 5. A Short History of English Literature by Pramod K. Nair, Foundation Books Publication. It is really a wonderful book, particularly for Indian students of English literature, and particularly for me, who came from a Bengali medium school. It helps me a lot to grasp the chronological journey of English literature. Number 6. Okay, mark the book. It is a totally different book, but it is indispensable, I think. Social History of England by Padmaja Ashok, Orient Black Swan Publication. I think it is a must-have book for understanding social tapestry. Most of the time what happens, we just read history of literature, its author, their main works, but particularly we focus on their works and their authors, their works. But we must read the associated age to understand the main characteristic of their works. To have a comprehensive knowledge, it is mandatory to know the social vista associated with every age, every writer. This is the book. It is a very slim figured book, but it is compact. Number 7, Encyclopedia of British Literature, Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Dr. Kalyani Valat, Bodhi Tree books. These two are just amazing, just miracle person for me. When I buy, I get first the Volume 1, Volume 2 I did not get during my NET preparation because that was not available in that time. So for Volume 1 I don't again get the paperback. I have to depend on hardcover, that was too costly, but I buy the book anyway. And later, recently means before 1 or 2 years, I buy Volume 2 in paperback. In paperback the picture quality is not so good, picture quality is good, but they are in black and white picture and the pages are not oily pages, but that does not matter for understanding history of literature. Okay, you can have a look at this book in the next page when I will show you the pages. These two books are very helpful because they sum up, they just make a mental map of all the history of literature through points, images, short note, just like you can easily capture them, can easily understand them, and they are helpful for short answer type question, multiple type question. Have a look at these pages. These are the two parts. The black one is hardcover and the white one is paperback that I get. And these two pages that I just give, it is from the hardcover. Easy Handbook on English Literature, Dr. Kalyani Valat, Bodhi Tree books. Sorry, it is written 3, it will be tree. This is a very helpful book for revising the information and boosting more information. Whatever we read theoretically needs complete point-wise revision for the multiple type question answer. It is an ideal book for that. It is very slim and thin book, but just compact with too many informations. Number 9, it will be actually number 10 because we include the book James Long. Anyway, What, When, Why, How, Jumbo Literature Answer Book. It is also a wonderful book by Dr. Kalyani Valat, Bodhi Tree book. Bodhi Tree books always gives magic books. I think so. I like all of the books of Kalyani Valat. Number 10, Glimpses of British Literature, edited by Kalyani Valat, Bodhi Tree book. Have a look at the book What, When, Why, How. And as for Glimpses of World Literature, I think you can search in Amazon and take a look at the book. It will be more helpful for master students, not for NET. Yet I just enlisted it so that anyone can know about the book. I have not bought it. A Background to the Study of English Literature, B. Prasad, Trinity Press. It is a wonderful book. Again, too much helpful for Indian English literature student. Language is very simple and lucid. You can easily understand. The Rutledge History of Literature in English by Ronald Carter and John McRae, Britain and Ireland. In this book, you will get a detailed timeline, age by age. Okay, again you will get the Booker Prize winner list, Nobel Prize winner list, all are attached at the end. And for the 20th century writers, this book is very helpful. And it particularly focuses on major writers and their works and major events of history of literature. It's a healthy book. Some books that I have soft copy and I think they are good for their brevity. A History of English Literature by Michael Alexander, Macmillan Foundation. Everyone knows this book by Albert, History of English Literature by Edward Albert. Okay, it is very brief and helpful book. I know most of the students has this book, but as I get a soft copy, I don't buy it. A Short History of English Literature by Harry Blamires. If you have Albert, there is no need for this book anymore. I just mentioned them. Again, there is a set of English literature book from Britannica. Total 3 parts I get. Old English to Renaissance, Restoration to Romantics, 19th century to modern day. Okay, have a look at these books. This book is in 3 parts. Anyway, here I mentioned too many books, but it is not mandatory that you will buy all these books and start reading all these books. But I just mentioned these books. You will choose from them. But the most important thing is revision and practice. The main slogan and main mantra. Okay, if you like my channel, then share and subscribe if it helps you. And if there is any discrepancy about information or anything, you must inform me by commenting below. Thank you.